life is not always sunny and clear skies. Most of us will weather several storms in our lifetime. I've always been someone who's really wanted to help people. The work that we do in my firm is known as elder law and estate planning. I like to describe it as it's legal planning for families. So the reason I was interested in elder law was because my grandmother developed Alzheimer's. It was definitely a wake-up call. So going through that process with her is what made me decide I wanted to help other families who are going through the same thing. We help families put a plan in place to weather whatever storms may come up in their lives. Jarvis Law Office, we definitely are a family firm. My practice manager is my significant other. And at one point, all of our kids have worked for the firm in one capacity or another. So it really is a family firm. So what makes our firm different is that we are a family. I mean, not just figuratively, literally, we are a family. It makes doing what we do so much more meaningful. I wouldn't trade it for the world.
We knew that our wills and powers of attorney and those kinds of things were probably out of date. Our first impression of Tim was, well, this is kind of a low-key guy. He didn't come off like the New York specialist that was there to flim-flam anybody. He was there, he was one of us. A lot of places you go into a business and you feel like I'm the customer and they're the supplier. And when you come into Jarvis, it's not like that. Just come in, have a cup of coffee, sit down. They're very welcoming, very low-key, very understanding. His service was great.
My husband was diagnosed with Alzheimer's. I didn't know until I got into the process that I needed someone to guide me through, because you don't know until you're hit with that. Insurance doesn't cover, Medicare doesn't cover. Because Mr. Jarvis had been through it, I think he was more sensitive to how he treated us. But the thing that got me all along with Pat, my husband, they know what to do, where to go, how to get it done. The firm did treat me like family. They're there for you when you need them.
My husband was in a nursing home, and I was spending each month. And so we got together, my family, and we thought that we should go to an attorney. If I had not hired the firm, I would have been broke.
This is what I was put here to do. The one absolute gospel in my firm is that we'll always do what's right for the client. We're their advocates. It's all about the family. That's where it starts, that's where it ends. Being able to help families who oftentimes are going through one of the most difficult, if not the most difficult time in their lives. I mean, it's what I get up for in the morning.